Taking serious note of the worsening air pollution in Delhi NCR, the Supreme Court on Wednesday allowed authorities to take coercive action against vehicles not compliant with Bharat Stage 4 emission norms while urging immediate and practical measures to reduce congestion and emissions at the capital's borders. A bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant, while hearing the long-pending MC Mehta pollution case, modified its August 12 interim order clarifying that protection from regulatory action based solely on vehicle age applies only to BS4 compliant and newer vehicles. The court accepted submissions that older vehicles contribute disproportionately to air pollution, describing Delhi's pollution crisis as an annual feature requiring effective enforcement rather than paper protocols. Under the revised directions, diesel vehicles older than 10 years and petrol vehicles over 15 years running on BS3 or earlier norms can now face action. To ease traffic bottlenecks, the court asked the National Highways Authority of India and the Municipal Corporation of Delhi to consider temporarily closing or relocating 9 MCD toll plazas at Delhi's entry points. The MCD has been directed to take a decision within 1 week, with toll suspension suggested till January end if necessary. The court declined to interfere with the government's decision to suspend physical classes for nursery to class 5. Meanwhile, with air quality remaining in the very poor to severe range, the Delhi government enforced GRAP Stage 4 restrictions, mandating 50% work from home for private offices. The order issued by the Labour Department following amendments by the Commission for Air Quality Management warns of action under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Exemptions apply to essential services. Labour Minister Kapil Mishra said violations would invite action and announced Rs 10,000 compensation for registered construction workers affected by prolonged GRAP curbs. Delhi's 24-hour AQI stood at 334, with transport emissions accounting for over 16%. Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa outlined measures including PUC reform, carpooling, electric buses, and collaboration with Google Maps and IIT Madras to tackle pollution hotspots.